Hi, my name is Vijay from Mathematics City. Today I'm going to teach you how to evaluate functions. Now, if you know what a function is, well, great. If you don't, check back on the last video. So here's what we have as a function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now, when you're evaluating a function, you need to know what x is equal to, or else you can't evaluate it. In this case, x is equal to 10. And when you know what x is equal to, you replace wherever x is. So over here, we can replace x with 10. And over here, where 2x is, we can replace it with 20 because 2x stands for 2 times x, and x is equal to 10. 2 times 10 is equal to 20, so we can just put 20 over here. And then when you do 20 plus 3, you get 23. In the function, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, where x is equal to 10, f of x is equal to 23. Now let's move on to the next function. H of x is equal to square root of x. Notice the square root symbol is this symbol right over here, right above the x. I want you to pause the video and try to solve it on your own. Okay, I'm guessing you've already done that. I'm going to review this, how to do evaluate a function. So first we read the function, and I've seen you already did that, and I've said it, so you should remember it. And then you look at what x is equal to. I like to call it the key. You don't have to call it like that, but whatever x is equal to. You can say that x is equal to 49, and the square root of x will be 7, because the square root of x, the square root of 49 is equal to 7. Because if you 7 times 7, you get 49. So in the function, h of x is equal to square root of x, and where x is 49, h of x is equal to 7. Let's move on to the last function we're going to be doing today. G of x is equal to x divided by 4, and x is equal to 1. I want you to pause the video again and try to solve it. Okay, I bet you already tried to solve it. Now, let's see if you got it correct. Now, I'm going to read again. G of x is equal to x divided by 4, and x is equal to 1. Well, if x is equal to 1, and 1 divided by 4 is 1/4, if you did it correctly, and when you convert 1/4 into a decimal, you can put 0.25. So the answer for g of x, in the function g of x is equal to x divided by 4, where x is equal to 1, g of x is 0.25. Now, before you leave, I would like to say, go check on our website. We uploaded it all the way to the 20th video, so that means the function video we'll be getting this video as soon as we're done, and I wish you probably understand how to evaluate functions, and then you can tell your parents, "But I learned how to evaluate functions," and keep calm and love math. Bye.